What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to install and open virtual iPhone 12 Pro Max on your Mac computer for free using Xcode. Xcode is originally designed for developers, but with the Xcode you can also launch simulator just to play around with the iOS and with devices is offering. First thing we need to do, we need to open our App Store. And then in App Store, we need to type Xcode and then press enter. And now we need to download Xcode. Just click on it. And in here, just click on Get. And then click on Install. Now you'll have to confirm the installation. You'll have to type your Apple ID and password. And then click on Get. This is pretty big installation. It could take up to an hour to download. It all depends on your internet speed. I think the actual package is 11.5 gig. Once it's done, we need to click on Open. And right here, we need to click on Agree and then type your password. Then press OK. Once you get to the screen, what you can do, you can click on top left Xcode and then click on Open Developer Tool and then click on Simulator. Once you're going to click on Simulator, you will get iPhone 12 Pro Max show up on your screen. Now you just have to wait until it's going to load. And that's it. Now you have virtual iPhone on your Mac computer. With the software, you can actually launch iPhone or I think even iPad just to play around and have virtual iPhone on your Mac computer. For example, if you don't have one, that's how you can actually try and see if you like it or not. And right here, you can navigate, you can swipe from left to right, you can open settings and everything else that iPhone or that this program is offering. And this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.